Assalamualaikum guys. Today's demo video I will show you how to control to LED through Arduino by Android. I design a diagram for this project. Here our will be need Arduino Uno, IR receiver and LED. And to transmit signal I use my Android. Then first of all I mount all the parts on my breadboard and connect jumpering wire to spurs and short IR receiver ground pin and LED ground pin. Then connect IR receiver power pin to the Arduino 5V and ground and IR receiver data pin Arduino digital pin number 2 and LED pin number will be connected Arduino digital pin 3 and 4 and connect Arduino with computer. Then go computer screen. This part is so important, watch carefully. In this folder have all necessary program and diagram. You get the download link on the description box. The folder I have needed to add on Arduino ID libraries. Then copy the folder, then go document and on here the Arduino libraries. Just paste it on here. Then again go the main folder. I think you know that when we press the IR remote on button, it provides a code and have individual code for each button. And here this is our decoder program. We will use it to get 2 buttons code. By double click open the file. Go tool, then select board Arduino Uno. Then simply click the upload button. When uploading is done, simply open serial monitor. At a time, open remote apps. Press button keeping the phone IR receiver in front. The code of the button being pressed will be displayed on the serial monitor. On button code must be taken several times because sometime IR receiver provide unexpected code. We will choose this code which came up many times. In this way, I will also take the code of second button. Then minimize those window and open main program. Then open previous serial monitor window. On here I will use this code for LED 2. Just copy this code and paste it beside 0x. And this code used for LED on. All done. Then go tool and select board Arduino Uno. Then just click upload button. When uploading is done, our project are ready. If you want this type of video, stay with me.